Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to zoom in or zoom out or you think your Discord a little bit too small. The fonts here, the solution, because I don't know why. Now my Discord seems so big and then I couldn't easily read all my servers and I couldn't do any productivity using this kind of interface. So you just go to your profile, here my profile, and then you can see this is an option of gear icon. You can click on that one and then you scroll down until you can find the appearance. Here the appearance. Okay, just click on that and then here the thing, different from another apps. Maybe another apps offer you the font size, but for Discord it offers you the zoom level. So my current zoom level is about 175 percent, which is too large. So I will reduce it to the normal, let's say 100%. And then I will click the save on top corner on the right, and then click the save. It's supposed to be now. Voila, now it's already by default, but I think it's still too big. I will reduce it a little bit and then go back again to the settings and then go to the appearance, here the appearance, and then I will change it, let's say into, let's say 90% would be good. Okay, no, not 87. Oh, it's okay, it's rigid. Okay, I will go for 93%. Okay, click save, and okay, now I think this is what I want. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.